If you're a foreigner living, working, or investing in Vietnam, the Temporary Residence Card, or TRC, isn't just a convenience. It's your legal foundation for building a life here without constantly renewing visas. A TRC gives you the right to stay in Vietnam for 1 to 5 years, travel freely in and out, and enjoy the kind of stability that short-term visas can never offer. Whether you're a professional, an investor, or the spouse of someone working here, securing a TRC saves you time, money, and endless immigration paperwork. There are now over 100,000 foreigners living and working in Vietnam, and most of them depend on TRCs to rent homes, open bank accounts, register vehicles, and travel without stress. But here's the challenge: applying for a TRC is more complex than it seems. Requirements vary by visa type, legal status, job position, and even your home country's documents. At LTS Law, we've helped hundreds of clients from more than 20 countries get their temporary residence cards approved, fast, clean, and fully compliant with Vietnamese law. Your TRC category is based on your visa code, like LD for labor, DT for investors, TD for family members, and each one comes with different document requirements and validity periods. If you apply with the wrong visa type or incomplete documents, immigration may reject your application immediately. That's why we match your profile to the exact TRC category before anything is filed. For work-based TRCs, you'll need your valid work permit, labor contract, company documents, residence confirmation, and properly filled TRC application forms with passport-sized photos. For investors, the most important documents are your enterprise registration certificate, investment registration certificate, proof of capital contribution, and your original passport with the correct investor visa. For dependents like spouses or children, we guide you through preparing legalized marriage or birth certificates, translating them, and submitting along with your sponsor's TRC. All documents in foreign languages must be notarized, consular legalized, and translated into Vietnamese. If you skip this, your TRC will be delayed or outright denied. We've seen applications rejected over something as simple as the wrong photo format or missing hotel registration. LTS Law triple checks everything so that never happens to you. The typical processing time for a TRC is 5 to 7 working days after submission, but only if your documents are 100% clean, properly matched, and submitted to the right office. Most clients we support receive a TRC valid for 1 to 2 years. But in some cases, especially for high-tier investors, you can qualify for up to 5 years or more of continuous residence. A valid TRC lets you enter and exit Vietnam freely, no visa runs, no embassy appointments, no airport surprises. It's the closest thing to legal residency Vietnam offers. Already in Vietnam on a tourist or business visa? In many cases, we can convert that status to a TRC pathway without you having to exit the country. We handle it all. At LTS Law, we maintain a 98% first-pass approval rate on TRC applications because we know the rules, we know the paperwork, and we know what immigration expects. If you don't have a Vietnamese employer or company yet, don't worry. We can help you set one up or sponsor your TRC based on investment or family connections. Need to renew your TRC or change the address listed on it? We handle modifications, lost card replacements, and extensions, no hassle, no waiting in lines. We also support TRC sponsorships for spouses and dependents, even if your family just arrived in Vietnam and hasn't registered locally yet. We'll guide you start to finish. We've helped clients from the US, UK, Korea, Germany, Singapore, Japan, and Australia successfully transition from short visas to long-term TRCs, and we can help you too. Our legal team communicates in both English and Vietnamese, making sure you understand what's happening and why, every step of the way. Ready to secure your temporary residence card in Vietnam? Visit lts.com.vn or book your free consultation with our expert team. LTS Law helps you stay longer, move smarter, and stay 100% legal.